Hello everyone, in front of me Sony Xperia 1.6 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So once you want to personalize some number, some contact that you have, you need to open your phone gallery, then mark the contact that you want to personalize, select edit and tap on add picture. Here you can select the source that you want to choose this picture from. It can be one from your Google Photos or something from your device photo. Let me pick, for example, this one. Now you can customize it however you like. Tap on choose and then select save. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.